Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Zone Tool. So today I will share for all of you guys about the Insta software. This is the software can help you how to get more like and comment or follower on Instagram. So today I will share for you about the first function of Insta software. This is the follow, so you can get more follower with the link. Like is in the first one here in my Instagram, I have for about 41 followers. Just uh just copy the link in here. So after you get the link in here, you can also save it and choose all the account you have in here. I have some accounts, so after that I just want create some function in here like file tweet 10 sure. Just make some very easy setting. You don't need to code and build the AI function like make or other function. So just put the number in here. So after everything was done, you just start. So our software can help you automatically log in your account into the Instagram and come to find the account you want to make the getting some like setting. So in here, like this, you can see here the account just following. As you can see here, after I using some account, I just get more follower. So if you want to using our software, just DM me with the link in the bio. So in this software there are many function, many great function, other with function you can using. So goodbye everyone. See you in the next video.